Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still.
What's up, y'all? It's Dope the Gamer. This is like 100 times filming this damn voice over. I'm not redoing it. Yes, I've been redoing this because y'all, just bear with me with this. It's only up for me. I'm gonna get better, I promise. But I know this content is new. I'm normally streaming, but I'm really finna start making content for y'all, like vlogs of my second life character, not of me IRL. But I'm gonna start making vlogs of her life. This is Maya Dior. Say hey, y'all. Y'all get real acquainted with her because this is basically her channel now. This is her channel now. I will still be streaming 5M. And I will also be streaming Sims. I can really I might start making Sims content. But basically, y'all, this is Maya Dior, child. She just moved to LA, and I just wanted to show y'all her new apartment. It is so cute. It's just a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It's very small because LA is expensive. Okay? And she's still up. She's still making it. She ain't there yet. But yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. And I just want y'all to stay down for the come up. I hope y'all enjoyed the tour or whatever. I can give y'all a little backstory, but I don't know how much time I got left because this voiceover shit is treacherous. But y'all, I'm gonna try. She from Atlanta. She moved to LA. And once she moved to LA, she met somebody that knows somebody, and they was able to get her audition for the LA Rams cheerleading squad, and she made it. So now she's a professional cheerleader in LA. Per.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.